Hi guys, it's Lesley Tao here. Welcome to my YouTube. So everybody, today I am going to share with you some of the pictures that were taken in our new serviced apartment, which is in Lebanon. And this is our first international serviced apartment. So I'm really proud. So here's some pictures that our amazing editor has collaged. And I guess my main message for this is, once you have the experience, the skill set, and more importantly, the team and the processes, automated processes that have been put in place, then really you can run your business from anywhere in the world. So this is, so in a nutshell, we've sort of gone international, although it's only one unit because it's in a different area other than Cambridge, which is our bread and butter patch. But as you guys know, not serviced apartments, but I have also done rent to rents, so room by room rentals previously in Dubai as well. So I guess it just proves to show that, you know, once you have certain things put in place, and I would say systems and automation and processes and a team, which will allow you to expand and upscale, okay, then you can just run your business from anywhere in the world. We've been here for about, I would say about 2 weeks, and I've still been working, even though it's a mini sort of holiday break, but I've been doing everything on my laptop. And if I was to stay here for another, in Lebanon that is, for another couple of months, I wouldn't have really much of a problem working from home, because everything is all set up and we've got the teams in place in the UK. And the same for this new SA unit here. So I'm really excited to share this with you. I hope this will give you some inspiration to think outside the box, because 2020 has been a year full of COVID related news in every way, and of course it has impacted our serviced accommodation short-term lets business to some extent, but we've been hustling hard and working hard, and everything's gone online now, so the way we do business in every possible aspect has changed a lot. And I think that the great thing about this is, and sharing this with you, is that you can work from anywhere in the world, and I think we should take that ethos and run with it for all the other businesses that we've got and we're going to set up. So that's my first bit of good news for you guys, and I wanted to share with you because it's a journey that you're going on with me. And before I end, I need to apologize to you guys because I found it quite difficult to do 3 videos a week, but I am going to try and put out at least 1 video a week so you can stay on top of all the news in terms of what's going on with my businesses. And I'm still here and I'm not going anywhere. That's the most important thing. So anyway, everybody, I'm wishing you a happy new year, and 2021 is going to be a great year. So I hope that you've set your goals already, because that's very important. Do goal setting and watch this space, because I've got some more exciting news to share. So it's actually been a build up of content really, in terms of what I've been doing since when I haven't been recording YouTube. We have actually expanded our business, so I'll share some of the pictures of the new properties with you, which hopefully the editor CJ is going to collage into some awesome videos. We've refurbed my parents' house. It's pretty cool because it's got this awesome Japanese toilet, which as I've mentioned, everything is automated. So hopefully see you guys very soon. Okay, lots of love. Bye from me.